Alright, so we're going to show you how to replace a bulb in this Sequoia. It's pretty easy. You get two bolts that are right here. Let me just grab the phone and show you. You get two bolts. One's right here, one's right here. 10mm heads. Take those out. Then there are two clips that connect right here and right here. I'm using a door panel tool and then a piece of a rag to protect the paint. If you just pop right there. Sometimes both of them pop out. Sometimes you have to pop out one at a time. There you go. You have your brake and turn signal. I think this is your marker light and this is your reverse light. Oh, turn signal, reverse light, brake, and marker light. So this is the one that's bad. Pop that out. As you can see there, let's see if I can get it to focus. It's dark. And grab the new one. I'll show you both of them side by side. See how this one's dark, this one's a new one. This one's burnt out and that one's good. Sometimes you'll notice your flasher will flash quickly, and that usually means that you have one bulb out. It doesn't always flash fast. As you see, I just pop that in there, spin and lock it back in place. Get those two lined up. Those two, pop them real good. Put your two bolts in gently. You don't break the plastic, and you're all done.